Hello valued viewers, I hope you're all doing fantastically well, and here we're gonna build a Paracord bracelet in Dragon Thief style. So we need a ruler, a scissor, a fit if you have one, a lighter, some cord, and at least 2 clips. If you ain't have a jig, so you can tape 2 wooden blocks with an extra pair of clips on the table. 2 cow hitches on the lower clip and 1 on the upper one, where we bring the 2 working ends through. If you want to know more about the cow's hitch knot, there is an extra video about this topic. Next we bring in one end of our second strand by going over, twice under and over, and push him up as far as possible. Now we're gonna take our right hand working end and bring it up between the second and the third strand. We pull the remaining slack out, squeeze them up to the top, and then we're gonna do the same with the other side. We take our left hand working end and bring it up between the second and the third strand as well. Now we're gonna take our other cord, bring it in between the first and the second, and then bring it up again between the third and the fourth. We push it all up to the top, take our right working end and bring it up between the second and third again. Keep a little bit of tension and repeat the same with the left hand working end. And I guess you know what comes next. We take the cord we have placed in the middle, go in between number 1 and 2 and up again between number 3 and 4. So basically what we do with these is always wrapping it around the 2 middle strands, number 2 and 3. From now on it's quite easy. We repeat the process with our 2 working ends by coming up between number 2 and 3. In the beginning it might be a little bit tricky with the yellow cord, because if we pull her too hard we could pull her through. But after 3 or 4 turns this event becomes highly unlikely. So we keep going by bringing her in between 1 and 2 and up again between 3 and 4 to wrap her around. I guess you guys got the picture now, how does it work, and so I will put it on fast forward. But I'm really interested in your opinion, what you think about these knotting techniques. So I would really appreciate it if you would leave me a comment down below about your opinions. Thank you. Now we have nearly finished our bracelet, so it comes quite handy if you have one of these paracord needles called fit. If you don't have one of these, you can use tweezers or pincers, but it's good to use the right tool for the right job. So you can find them online and for a couple of bucks, and they are definitely worth it if you want to do more stuff like this. I highly recommend that you check out to get one of these. But yeah, anyway, we have nearly finished our bracelet, and most people just cut the ends and then burn them with the lighter. I like to put one stitch back under the last loop just to give them a little bit extra strength, and then we're done. All we got to do now is to cut the surplus and weld it with a lighter. Please be careful when you're doing this to not burn your bracelet. Take your time, it's worth it. So I really hope you liked the video and maybe I could give you some ideas. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends who might have the same taste like you do. So I thank you for watching, and I would say this bracelet makes a nice gift for someone who might like it. And I wish you all a wonderful day. Hope I see you soon again. Stay safe and have a beautiful day.